Hey, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to make a quick breakfast for two in less than 30 minutes. Yes, you heard me right. In less than 30 minutes. On my plate, I have hot pepper. The little pepper right there is hot. I have 3 tomatoes, half of red onions, 3 eggs, and the famous plantain. Now I like my plantain ripe. Other days I eat my plantains hard. That's when I fry them into plantain chips. But today for breakfast, you always want your plantain ripe. Now it could be less ripe or as ripe as mine right here. Unfortunately, I like mine very ripe for breakfast, so I don't have to crunch breakfast. I do. So far, this is what I have. I cut the peppers, the tomatoes, and the onions. Now, bear in mind, this is what I have taste for this morning. If you like broccoli, mushrooms, anything you like, you can add to your platter. But this morning, I woke up hungry for some tomatoes, some onions, and I want to make it spicy. I end up not cutting the whole spicy pepper. I did half because I was scared that it might be too hot for me. But usually I have a high tolerance for hot, so it wouldn't be a problem. But this morning I don't want to have to drink a bunch of milk with the hot pepper. And this is how I cut my plantains. Some people will hold it in their hands to cut, but for me, I cut them on the board like this. Now, some people find that it's easier to cut it in your holding it in your hand, but me no. For fear that I'm gonna cut myself, I don't want to hold it in my hand, so I just leave it in the board and then cut it. You see how it's looking? It's coming out really the way I want it, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting it, and I'll show you the next process. Alright, I prepped everything. I had some onions, I cut them, some tomatoes, and the spicy pepper right here. Now, if you like broccoli, spinach, you can add them to your dish, or mushrooms. It's whatever you have taste for. This morning I woke up and I only have taste for some onions, some tomatoes. I want to make it spicy, so I added some hot peppers. So here is my egg. I put a little salt to the egg, and that's my olive oil in a pot. Now I went ahead and cut the plantains. I put just a little tinge of salt in there. This is how I like to cut my plantains. So
let's get ready. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment below. But this is what I have for now. So just let's toss it in the pan and be done with breakfast.
Put in a tinge of salt to start. Next I put some onions. Now I'm leaving it on the pot for about 7 to 10 minutes. And once I put in my eggs, scramble them, and it's ready.
Right now, it's time to pour in the egg. I'll show you the final product in 2 minutes.
We are done. I've been so hungry. It's brunch right now, and this is my portion. Remember, I made it for 2, but this is my portion for brunch. When I calculated it, it's about 1,010 calories for this brunch. So I'm doing good because I was maintaining my weight. Let's talk about the benefits and nutritional value of these ingredients used. I used 2 eggs, which is about 180 calories fried. It does contain about 13.4 grams of protein, which is really good. No carbohydrates, so I'm happy about that. Tomatoes was about 243 calories. 12% fat, 6% sodium, 6% cholesterol, and other micronutrients like fiber, calcium, iron, potassium, vitamin A and C. I have an onion that I put in there, which is about 24 calories. 0 fat, 0 cholesterol, 3% fiber, plus other micronutrients like vitamin C, iron, and calcium. And the last one that I have is a plantain. It's 1 medium fried plantain, which is about 562 calories. Large amount of carbohydrates found in this one plantain. I have also another large amount of fiber in this plantain and other micronutrients like calcium, iron, potassium, vitamin A, and large quantity of vitamin C. It is good to know that plantain, when it's green, has a very high content of iron. When it's green, and if you want to boil it and eat something with it, it's a very high content of iron. But thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Until I see you next time. Bye.